Hi fellow crafters, Needle Pointers is back with another fun dollar store do-it-yourself craft. Are you looking for a simple and fast way to make Christmas garland? With just a few materials from the dollar store, you can whip up this fun stocking garland in less than a half hour for under $10. From the dollar store, purchase some small crew socks, or sometimes they have mittens. You could also purchase some little small mittens, a clothesline, and also in the craft section they have these small clothespins. The other thing that you will need is a scissor. Begin by removing the socks from the packaging. And be careful when you do it that you do not cut into the socks, but I'm sure you already know that. Okay, I'm going to remove the rest of them and then I'll show you the next step. I've also removed the packaging from the clothesline and the craft clothespins. If your dollar store does not have craft clothespins, you can always use regular clothespins. Okay, the first thing you want to do is make an overhand knot in the one end of the clothesline. Okay, this will be used to hang the stocking garland or mitten garland wherever you'd like. Then it's very simple. All you need to do is take your clothespin, put it on the clothesline, you take a sock and attach it on like that. And then you continue to do this. I'm going to alternate different colors as I'm doing it. And in a matter of probably less than, I'd say less than a half hour, definitely, you can make some attractive garland to hang somewhere in your house. When hanging the stockings on the cord, you may want to use a ruler so that you get them equal distance apart. I'm placing mine about 6 inches apart. So I'll just continue to do this until I have all the stockings on there. When you're finished hanging all the stockings, cut the cord at the other end, the closed cord, and then again tie an overhand knot. Your garland is ready to hang. String the stocking garland across the hutch or along a mantle. What do you think? I love how simple this was to make. Please like, share, and comment about this project. Subscribe to our channel and follow Needle Pointers on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. To follow us, just click the iCard or the link in the description section. Want more fun Christmas do-it-yourself craft projects for yourself or your kids? Go to our website.